What is up, guys? Welcome back to a new video. So today we're going to be fishing at the farm. We're gonna go fish at the pond, and I got a new fishing rod because my last one broke. I put it in the back of the truck with the one wheel, and the one wheel moved around and hit the rod and it broke. And so I also got a new fishing bait. I got a Guggen Squad crankbait. It's something dyslexic, so I can't fudging read. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out, see if it's any good at ponds. I don't really know where you're supposed to fish with this, but I guess we're gonna find out. You guys, just look at all this equipment real quick. Look how messy my big GoPro box is. I got a smaller one. It's got all the cameras. You already saw that. And look at that, famous Amos. Sponsor me, please. I love you guys. So yeah, look how just messy it is. All right, guys. Heading to the pond right now. Riding the one wheel because you already know. Oh shoot. Oh, that's wet. That's real wet. Shoo, shoo, shoo. All right, it's drier over here. Oh, this is so smooth. These are not my one wheel shoes, by the way. These are actually my running shoes. But hey, they actually aren't that bad for one wheeling off road, but on road, they just don't turn that well. Like, we're here. Look at that, one wheel Pint, one wheel XR. Pint, I got a bunch of stickers on the fender. I got a Fly Gear, which is like dirt bike gear, Craft and Ride sticker, and Kindle Gray sticker. You already know. So we made it to the pond. Let's do some fishing. It's looking a bit like chocolate milk, but it actually doesn't seem too bad. All right, guys, I'm already got a bass.
You hooked me in the thumb.
I haven't fished yet. I'm gonna hook himself in the thumb. Cause
no, he hooked me in the thumb. Well, I guess it's fair.
Here's where you caught him. All right, I gotta get rigged up. All right, guys. First cast. We should be right here. And saw on Instagram, the world needs more tackle boxes and less X boxes. And I stand by that. Got one. That is 100% the pass. Come on. Oh, there's another fish. There's another fish following it. All right. It's one for the Guggen bait. Hooked him right in the, it's not a gill. It's a hard thing protecting his gills. Calm down, Jamal. Oh. All right, there we go. Nice little bass. See ya. All right, guys, it is a new day. We are going to be fishing at Swain's Lock. And my friend, he was just dangling his worm right on top of the water, and a bass actually ate it, but since it's so high up, he couldn't actually land it. So we're going to go down and on one wheel to go to our fishing spot and see if we can catch any fish. And if not up there, down there looks like a pretty good spot.
Minutes later.
Alright, guys, so if I don't catch a fish right here at this spot, then I'm quitting. I'm deleting my YouTube channel. I'm giving away my YouTube channel to one of you guys. I'm currently in a bush. doing the walking method. Cause I'm a little impatient. Alright guys, so first one to comment down below gets my YouTube channel.
2 minutes later.
Guys, I had a bass, but then I caught this absolute turret of a tree. Oh, he's still on, he's still on. I feel him, he's still on.
Oh.
Oh. No way.
The frog worked.
Get over here, yes, sir! Oh my gosh.
That's how we do it.
This is actually my first ever frog fish.
Mine was better. Mine was bigger.
Come on, stop. Oh my gosh. Stop.
Not this tiny, itty bitty little gay thing.
Oh, this is a pretty solid fish. Oh, rib. Alright guys, there we go. Got a maybe 2, pushing 3. Oh yeah, see you later, dude. Hallelujah. Right there under the log.
We've all caught a fish. So
Nice.
10 seconds later.
Alright guys, now that we know that there are fish here. No! I broke off, guys. Alright guys, show the camera what you caught. Emma caught a red-eared sunfish.
Pretty cool.
Nice.
What?
Oh, Emma had a fat bluegill,
I got my worm.
but since he sucks, he lost it. Don't lose it. Come on. Yeah, there we go. Emma finally caught one.
Decent size.
That's a pretty big.
What do you mean finally caught one? I
That's a
caught 3
big
before
bluegill.
this one.
But here, you guys have been dog water here. Oh, back to back.
That's a cool one.
Back to back bluegills. Let me see it. Dang, that guy's shiny. Got some colors on that sucker.
Touch tips.
Hey.
you should make them have babies together. I'm sorry.
What's that noise?
Bro, I could not miss out on bluegill duty. I had to join in, boys.
Ooh, it's even got a weight on it. Nice. Alright, I'm gonna count another one. Shoo, back in the water. Alright guys, I'm now on bluegill duty. I'm gonna see if I cast. I can. Put that and you go like. Hug him in the face and catch him. Right there. Second fish of the day. Nice little bluegill. Look at that guy. Alright, come on. There we go. Back into the water. Got him. Yeah, KG, fight me, bro. What's your fishing record? Dude, calm down. There we go. Got another one. Free away. Oh, what the heck? Oh, come on. Come on, this guy doesn't have too much more time. Alright, there we go. There you go, swims right off. Oh, look at that. Look at that bluegill.
Document it. A turtle. Better.
There we go. Oh, rip. Oh, rip. Buddy, stop. Buddy, stop.
What a hard hit.
Oh, rip. Alright, guys. Got our buddy right there. He's not looking too good. Alright, he's fine. He just had a little.
See him float up to the top.
Alright guys, we're back at home. We're about to go one wheel into the woods. There is a pond. It's like in a neighborhood, but we have to go through the woods. So see you guys there.
You.
Off to find the bass, 6-pounder or 5 or 4. Alright, starting off with a frog. Oh, rip. That was a horrifying cast. Oh my gosh! Dang it! Dang it! Mother fudger. Alright guys. If this is not the spot, I'm going home. Well, like this side. What the beans? What the beans? Oh, frick. Oh, perfect. Alright, that one's a far one. So, maybe there's a big boy out in the deeps. Even though this thing only goes 1 to... Do I have one? Hey, yo! Oh! I got one! A big crappie. Look at this dude. That's a big boy for a crappie. Gopro, turn on. Oh, what was that noise? I can lip crappie. There we go. I got one. Any bites, Jacob? This ain't just a bite, this is a fish. There we go. Now I'm happy.
That's a nice. Is that a big mouth, large mouth, or small mouth?
Large mouth.
That was a large mouth,
I'd say yes, I do have some bites, Jacob.
Yes, indeed.
Told you guys, under there. Oh, rip. Alright, to be honest, that was his fault.
Did he swim away?
Yeah, he swam away. He's good. A little head trauma, you know. Nothing much. Alright, that is a good note to end it off.
Good enough. But I know how to ride.
Jacob, I might not make it. I might not make it.
I don't have enough.
I might not make it. I might not make it. Oh, holy crap, this thing's a powerhouse. Dang it, we almost made it. all the way up. Alright guys, so I was flying down here and Jacob was behind me, like way behind me. So I was like, I'm gonna hide from this kid. I go down there. Here, come here, look at this joint. So it's like 5 foot deep. And so I go down there. I was gonna hide from him. And all of a sudden I hear whatever fudging bee sounds like. And I got stung. You see that joint?
Ow.
And so then I just book it. So my one wheel and fishing pole.
He thought he was gonna trick me and be smart. But he got me goofed. Huh? It's like right down there. They're right there. Oh, I see. So grab it. Dip, dip, dip. Oh, they're buzzing. Oh, they're buzzing. Oh no, I'm not trying to get stung. I'm not trying to get stung. I saw them swarm out. But I swear to God, I don't see any chasing me. Dude, I saw them swarm right as you grabbed it.
Oh my God.
There was like 20 of them just came out and started buzzing everywhere.
All right guys, so I think I have enough footage to make a fishing video, so hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And I'll try to post more content more frequently, more often. So thanks for watching.